This 67-inch Dinosaur splash pad and kiddie pool was sent to me as a gift, and in this video, I'm unboxing it, setting it up, and showing how everything works so you can get a better idea of the features. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely, and inside the box, you get the inflatable splash pad along with the accessories needed to get it set up. Right away, one thing I noticed is the fun dinosaur theme. The bright colors and playful design make it feel like something kids will be excited to see in the backyard. As I'm unfolding everything, you can see the overall size and layout before it's inflated. After that, I move into the setup process. In the video, I show how easy it is to inflate and connect the garden hose. Once everything is filled and the water is turned on, you can really see the splash pad come to life. One of the features I like most is the layout. Since it combines both a kiddie pool and an upright sprinkler, it gives kids a couple of different ways to play at the same time. I could easily see one child enjoying the sprinkler while another plays in the pool, so it feels like it offers two separate activities instead of everyone trying to use the same space. The sprinkler itself works really well. It sprays consistently and creates plenty of water for the kids to run through and play in. There is one thing I noticed during setup that I wanted to mention. I do wish there was a way to adjust the sprinkler pressure independently. Even with my water turned on just a little, the sprinkler was still quite powerful. It definitely works well, but having an adjustment for the spray height or pressure would make it easier to customize for younger children. Other than that, I thought the overall setup was simple, and once it's connected, everything works exactly as expected. Throughout the video, I focus on showing the unboxing, setup process, and how the pool and sprinkler work together so you can get a realistic idea of what to expect. Overall, I think this is a fun backyard water toy for summer. Between the large 67-inch size, dinosaur theme, kiddie pool, upright sprinkler, and ability for multiple kids to enjoy different activities at the same time, it creates a really fun outdoor play area. And while I would have liked a little more control over the sprinkler pressure, it definitely provides plenty of water for kids who love running through sprinklers.